everybody, this is Vance from fishingwithvance.com, and on today's video I finally get the time to get the Reel Around the World Fishing Rod Challenge, the Zebco 202. I finally get the video edited for that. The reel came to us from Wilkins Outdoor Adventures. Want to thank those guys, especially Daniel, for including us in this challenge and giving us the opportunity to work with this with the Zebco 202 and be part of this this challenge. I'm not sure where it started. I think Chaos Peddlers, but as you can see, it's been with Realistic Fishing, Juniper George Fishing, Bass Fishing with TK Heaven, and so on and so on. It then came to us with Fishing with Vance, and I was able to catch a pretty nice fish with this reel, which I'll show you in a minute. Where this reel is going to be going next is going to be to Jesse Stanfield, Broken Curl Outdoors. He's accepted the challenge, and here's a peek at Jesse's channel, and I'll be sending it on to him next.
Good morning, everybody. We are loaded up, headed to Broken Bow Lake. It's going to be a good day, y'all. Come on. There's a good one, Eddie. Yes, sir. Oh, there he goes. Right on, little Kentucky. What's up, everybody? We are headed to the river. See if we can get into some sand bass. It should be a lot of fun, y'all. Come on. Fish on, baby. Whoa. Golly. Goodness. That is an entire swim bait down this fish's face.
Alright guys, I'm here fishing on opening trout weekend. We got the Zebco 202. We moved on from the stream. Wasn't able to catch anything at the stream with this guy, so I tossed it on, and I'm going to throw a spinner out here, see if I can get a bass or a trout on this thing. So we'll see. Guys aren't catching much with it, but I'm going to give this thing a go and see what happens. It's the Zebco 202. I got a MEPS yellow spinner on, and let's see what happens. Fishingwithvance.com. Fishingwithvance.com. I put my pole down to get a... Catter has to go to the bathroom. Catter has to go to the bathroom, so I put my pole down to give him the keys. And look at this fish.
Wow. It's massive. I don't have a net either. Does Alex have his net?
This is a big fish.
Big trout?
Yeah.
It's big.
It's a hog.
I just can't. I can't net him.
Give your net.
No. Oh,
and that's
my God.
and that's the Reel Around America right there, kids.
Wow, that's massive. Man, it's nicely done, my friend.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up the first day here. What a great first day of trout season we had. We started out at our Beer for Less spot, as you guys saw. Today the name was the spinner. Catter caught how many on the spinner?
8 on the spinner in the stream in the Shannock.
Yep.
Had a lot of fun.
Highlight caught a few on the spinner.
Yep.
But we had a great time. We caught 18 down there. Then we came out to the Bragg spot, and we got out the Reel Around the World. And you guys saw in the video, I caught the biggest trout of my life, and it was actually a no skill. I had thrown a worm on it, set it down. The young gun catter here had to go make a deposit, so I was giving him the keys of the truck, and as he did that, the reel around the world almost took a trip right into the lake. Instead, probably caught a 4-pound trout, rainbow, on a nightcrawler. Biggest trout I ever caught in my life. So you'll see the pictures, reel around the world. We'll be moving it on to somebody else. So thanks for joining us today, guys. Any last words?
Hope you guys enjoy the video. We had a lot of fun on first day. It's one of our favorite times of the year. We look forward to it all year. We had both a nice amount of fish and then like Bagger just detailed for you a large, huge fish as well. You'll see all that on the video. If you like everything that we're doing, please hit the subscribe, hit the like button. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, etc. That's pretty much it. Fishing with Vance.com.